Learn how to make blackened chicken salad so you can add it to blackened chicken salad sandwiches.
Hey, it's Jenna here from sipbitego, and today I'm sharing with you one of my favorite things that I used to get at the deli all the time at Whole Foods when we had the leisure of driving to the grocery store whenever we wanted. And now that I don't live that lifestyle, now that I am mostly eating really good food at home, I wanted to make this at home so my husband and I wouldn't miss it so much. What I'm talking about is blackened chicken salad. And this kind of a Whole Foods Copycat recipe, although I'm not exactly sure what they use in theirs. But when I made this one at home with some blue cheese dressing and blackened chicken, it came out so good. I think my husband was pretty blown away. He was buying like $30 worth of chicken salad a week. So making it with bulk chicken that we purchase and seasoning it and making it ourselves has been one way we're still eating good at home. So I can't wait to take you in the kitchen and show you exactly how I made blackened chicken salad sandwiches. Here we go.
So the first thing you do is make the chicken. So you add olive oil to a medium-sized pan on medium heat, and you add the seasoned chicken that's been pre-seasoned with blackening season, and you stir the chicken in the hot pan for about 10 minutes until the chicken browns. And this all goes by really quickly because the chicken is cut in about 2-inch chunks. So once the chicken is cooked, it's time to mix it with carrots, corn, tomatoes, and blue cheese dressing. And I like to serve these in Hawaiian buns, but you can also serve them over greens, and you can just eat it straight out of the fridge like it is. It's a delicious and pretty nutritious snack.
Well, I hope that you're on your way to trying these delicious blackened chicken salad sandwiches. It's kind of a tongue twister, and I should probably say the name of recipes before I write them down on my site. But again, it's blackened chicken salad sandwiches, and they're so good. And if you just make the blackened chicken salad base of this, you put it in lettuce cups. You could just eat it for lunch as is. It would also be really great as a game day option too. So let me know if you have any questions. I'm here to help, and I hope you have a delicious and wonderful day. Cheers!
For more great recipes, visit sipbitego.com.